Creating users one by one is not an efficient use of our time. Luckily, ilearnOhio allows us to create users in batches. Click the Registrar tab and under User Management in the navigation menu, choose Batch Create. ilearnOhio creates an Excel template for us to use. Click the blue text that says batch_template.xls. After downloading it, we'll need to edit it. Here, I have the batch template spreadsheet open in Excel. You can see that all the fields that would appear in the Create User screen are here, along with an example user, John Smith. We'll go ahead and leave the example student there. Note that he has a grade. That's very important. We'll need to make sure that all of our students have grades for the assessment engine to work properly. In a previous video, we made a required custom field for a peanut allergy. The field was a Boolean field, which means it requires a yes or a no answer. In our template spreadsheet, the field is blank. That's a problem since we made it a required field. So we have two options. A Boolean answer is designated by a 0 or a 1. 0 means yes, and 1 means no. For our peanut allergy example, which requires a yes or no answer, we will need to enter 0 for a yes or 1 for a no into our spreadsheet. An easy way to remember this is we usually say yes or no, with the yes coming first. Since 0 comes before 1, yes is equal to a 0 and no is equal to 1. Let's add a few more students into the spreadsheet. Save your spreadsheet and switch back to ilearnOhio. Now that we are done editing the batch template spreadsheet, we need to upload it to ilearnOhio. Near the bottom of the Batch Create page, click the Browse button. A file navigation window pops up. Navigate to where you saved your template spreadsheet. I saved mine to the desktop. Select the file and click Open. The pop-up window will disappear. If we correctly selected the file, its name will appear here in the File Location field. Now click the Upload button. The Batch Register Users shows us all the users we are uploading. The far left column here says Status. If it says Good next to each user, then we are almost ready to go. If it says Failed, then we need to click on that user to find out what went wrong. In our case, everything looks good, so we'll click the Save button to complete the batch user creation. To make sure our users were created, we can go back in to Find Users and search for them.